Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm checking out the Hot Wheels 49 Drag Merc, as this car is a real gem. But before we get into the detail, let's start with the unboxing. This Merc is a standout model in the Diecast car lineup, expertly blending classic style with a modern flair. Its stunning stainless steel finish captures the attention with the polished, reflective surface that makes it shine. The vibrant black and red flames, along with ATM on sides and the Hot Wheel on the wing, add a dynamic touch to its design. The details are on point. It feels sturdy because it made of tarmac. It's built to last. The wheels roll smoothly, making it fun to race. It glides effortlessly on any surface. This model is a must have for the collectors as it stands out whether you display it or play with it. So, my thoughts about Hot Wheels 49 Drag Merc is it's a fantastic representation of both vintage style and the modern craftsmanship. Comes with the all stainless steel finish and striking details, which sets it apart from other diecast cars. I highly recommend this model for both collectors and the fans of the classic cars. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Share your favorite Zamac find or let me know if there are other diecast cars you would like me to review. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.